how are you doing? Sasa, I know a good house when I see one. Nikiona tu hivi nyumba najua hii nyumba iko sambamba. Alright, so I'm about to present some executive 1-bedroom units for rent at Imperial in Nakuru. Okay? Place inaitwa Imperial. Lakini ukipanda matatu, they know Imperial. You know, ukipanda matatu za Nakuru to Mzee Wanyama, unashukishwa mahali inaitwa CFF.
Yes.
Okay? CFF. Rudia CFF.
CFF.
Sema CFF.
CFF.
Hapo CFF. Pipeline Mzee Wanyama Road. I'm telling you, these cribs here, 1 bedrooms, kwa mtu anataka 1 bedroom, for a bachelor, single ladies, young couples, I'm telling you, this is it. So niko hapa na rafiki yangu, na leo tunafanya presentation naye, maybe ajiintroduce.
Hello everyone, my name is Jane, Director of Better Homes Properties Limited, and we're here to showcase you these beautiful houses in Imperial, Nakuru.
Thank you.
Karibuni.
Thank you. So without further ado, tuanze kazi. So tuko hapa Imperial, okay? Hapa Nakuru, so that is the establishment hapo. Sawa sawa, establishment yenyewe ndio hiyo hapo, si ndio? That is 150 meters from the road. Yeah, mali unapandia matatu. CFF. Sasa kuja sasa tuende ndani, Jen. Hey, I know a good house when I see one.
You see one?
This is it. This is awesome. You know, I know a good house when I see one. Now, folks, isn't units, the ground level units, 1-bedroom units for rent. Some folks have moved in. You can see wale ambao wameanika nguo zao hapo. Just a decent amount of parking hapo on this driveway. Cabro paved. Sasa, Jen,
yes.
Songea hapa karibu. Wacha ukaa mbali. Wacha ukaa mbali. Right, so this is we are going to show like 3 samples, or 2 maybe, you know. But now, folks, tuko hapa, that is the door, okay? So the first thing napenda hapa, mambo na tile work, you know, just inje tu, you know, on the veranda. Look at that, you know, that is great, you know, that is good, you know, on the veranda tu. Sasa, wadau, tukiingia tu hivi ndani, angalia tu hiyo crib hapo, okay? Angalia tu hiyo crib, you know, tiles kwanza, muhimu sana. Many folks uliza, hizo tiles hapana. Angalia tu hapo. Jen, why do the tile work matter to you?
Yes, it matters because we don't want to give you some funny colors.
Yeah.
And you also have to make sure that the colors we are giving you will correlate maybe with your seats, with your curtains.
Yeah.
So this is a color that will correlate with so many colors. The tiling and together with the painting. Yeah.
Very well. So tuko sasa ndani ya sitting room namna hii. Okay, that is the sitting room hapa, okay? Alafu it's an open kitchen, you know, it's a cozy crib hapa hivi unaishi, so whether ni solo, whether na mrembo wako, ama mtu wako, mpoa wako, jameni, hii nyumba inawatosha, okay? Sasa nikisimama hapa, that is again the angle of the the lounge, you know, that's what we are seeing from mahali hapa ambapo nimesimama. Sawa. Now, just some nice touches. Angalia tu downlight unaekewa hapa. You know, look at that downlight, jamani. Alafu wall lamps in addition to that. You know how much this crib inatoka? Jenny, how much?
This crib goes for 8,500. Who gives you such a beautiful crib for 8,500 only?
Thank you. 8,500 for this crib. Okay? Aya, tukitoka hapo mahali pa kupikia, unajua bedroom iko wapi? Bedroom iko hii pande hapa. Okay? So vile nimepanda hivi, nimeingia kwa bedroom. Aya, wardrobes ndo hizo hapo. Kwa mtu wa 1 bedroom, jameni, hizo wardrobes for a 1 bedroom apartment. Angalia, they are done better than even other big apartments that we present. Look at that. You know? Look at those wardrobes. Aya, the tile work through the entire house the same. Paint work hapa kwa wall same, alafu wamepaka ile inaitwa overcast. Alafu iko na some shiny particles kule ndani naona. It's just beautiful.
Yes, very well done.
Yeah, it's well done. So the bedroom hapa inatoshea vizuri, tuseme 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, bed ya 5x6 pia inatoshea kwa hii bedroom vizuri tu. But 6x6 I won't recommend.
Hapa napo 6x6 6.
Yeah.
Hiyo nayo hapana.
Yeah, 5 by 6. Yeah. Hapo uko sawa.
Yes.
But 4 by 6 even excellent.
Yes.
And in fact, yani whichever, if you choose to put your bed on that end, well and good. If you choose it to be on this end, mahali tumesimama hapa,
Yes.
well and good, bado.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
Exactly. Now, let's just, hey. Aya, on this end hapa, ndo sasa tuko na washroom pale. Yeah. Nicely done. The finishes hapa mimi ndo tu zimenifurahisha kabisa. Okay, the finishes. Ah, oh my nice goodness. Tabs. Oh my modern goodness. Tabs. Look at the tabs, Mazi.
I won't tell you where you have seen such tabs. For a one bedroom.
For a one bedroom, Mazi.
Tell me, where?
Who gives you these?
No.
You know, look at these tabs, bana. These are tabs ambazo watu weka for in apartments for sale. Yes. In homes for sale. Yes. And there's another one here. Yes. On the kitchen. Look at this tab. Look at that tab. Look at it. Executive, you know, yes. Na maji iko na pressure.
Kabisa. Uko maji mingi.
Yes, yes. Wonderful stuff. Aki, I love it. Nani anapenda finishes kama hizi kwa nyumba ya kurent? Worktop iko hapo enough, you know, at least kwa mahali pa kupikia, hadi kuka wameweka hapo, mahali utainstall hapo kuka unapika, alafu kama wageni wako wako ile pande, vile Jena ako pale, you know, munatulia hapo ukiwapikia. Yes. While you prepare something for them to have. Yes. Yeah, Jen. Yes. Tuonyeshe ingine. This is just executive. I know a good house when I see one.
When you see one.
And I know that by the finishing in that crib.
Let's see another one.
This is awesome. This is just beautiful. This is awesome. Okay, this is another unit.
Yes, this is another unit.
Another unit.
Yes.
For 8,500 Kenya shillings. Yes. Only. Just imagine. So let me stand inside the kitchen so that at least they can get to see the lounge. Jane, hapo unaweza panga aje hiyo sitting room yako?
Mimi nikiangalia naweza panga aje.
Yeah.
I can put my TV here.
Yeah.
Because I have my socket over here.
Sure.
So my TV will be here.
Yeah.
And so it will depend what kind of seats you have. If you have an L seat, I can put it that way so that I can have my way to the kitchen.
Yeah.
But if you have normal seats, so
sure.
you can put your 2-seater here. And your 1-seater and maybe your other 2-seater over here.
Yeah.
That's enough.
So I think a 5-seater L shape is perfect here.
Perfectly.
Sindio?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wasiami hapa na 7-seater jamani. Sisi
tunaanza live.
Hiyo watuambie tuwatafutie 2 bedroom.
Yes.
All right. So this is another crib. Yes. Okay. Same kind of finishing. Jen, is it tiles hapa jikoni, wall tiles? How do you find them?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Plus, they're easy to clean.
Imagine.
Yes.
You just wipe.
Yeah. Nothing much.
Wonderful stuff. Yeah, so we are still in here. Mimi nimependa to the faucets, manze. Look at who gives you this kind of faucets for an apartment for rent.
Yeah, and ample place to put your dishes. Yes.
Yeah.
Provided for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they are easy to reach.
Very easy. I'm short.
Yeah.
And I can reach them.
But you can reach there.
Yes.
Wonderful stuff.
Yes.
Aya. Sasa tuende tena kwa bedroom tena. Jameni, hapa kuna mazuri mengi. Yeah. Look at this, you know, that sink there.
Yes.
You know?
Here's your sink.
Good quality.
You can brush your teeth over here. You can wash your hands after you
visited
the washroom.
Yeah.
Yes.
Haya, sasa hizi wardrobes tu mimi ndo zimenifurahisha zaidi. I'm telling you my favorite part.
Yes.
Hapa ni these wardrobes here.
Yes.
You know, Jen, there are some units ambazo nimeweza kufanya like the way I do. And then mimi after nimesifia somebody akauliza, Ezra, where are the wardrobes? I was like, wait a minute. I went back to the video. I'm like, ukweli hakuna wardrobes. But here, not a problem. You know, a nicely designed wardrobe hapa. Sindio? Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Yes.
Wonderful. Yeah.
Very nice.
Sure.
Yeah.
So guys, we're still in the bedroom. So let me stand here so that you can see where Jen akokule. At least, you know, even to show you the size of the bedroom, you know, the floor space and how, you know, it has been organized. Jen, important, by the way, easy power socket. Kwa bedroom at least tuko na mbili. Tuko na hii hapa, na kuna ile. I think it will be here because we have a bed switch here. So your headboard will come this side.
Yes.
And then that space, especially hawa watu wenye wanafanya taptengele. Unaona pale zile socket anasunda work desk yake huko?
Yes.
Bed iko huku.
Yes.
Anapiga taptengele yake safi. Ah, this is awesome. I love this for sure. I totally love this. Hii ningeipata zile enzi zangu nikiwa bachelor. Yes.
It's a very good house. Yes.
This is awesome, Mazi. Yep. So now let's tell them the price. More than enough. Natural light inaingia kwa nyumba vizuri zaidi. Yeah. I like it. Sasa Jen, let's conclude by telling them the price. We have told them the location. They have seen the house, where they'll hang their clothes.
Yeah.
They have seen where others are doing it. They have seen the place. Kama mwenye ako na gari, bas kuja na gari yako.
Yeah.
Sindio?
Yes.
So now let's tell them the price. Yes.
8,500. And
Yes.
another thing we have forgotten, Ezra.
Yeah.
We are not crowded over here. We
Yeah.
have only 6 units.
6 of you.
Yes. So come
It's
on.
not a village.
And it's not a village.
Yes.
It's here you have your own privacy.
Yeah.
And we're only 6 units here,
Yeah.
so you'll be 6 families.
Yeah, sorry.
Or if you're single people, 6 people in this place.
Ah, nice.
For only 8,500 shillings only.
Especially for that lot ambayo uniambia, Ezra anaweza pata place quiet.
Yes.
Hatuko watu wengi. This is the place.
This is the place for you.
Leo nimepata what you are looking for.
Ndo hii sasa.
Tuko hapa
Yeah.
Imperial.
Yes.
Thank you. 8,500 Kenya, 8,500 for rent per month. Maybe
Yes.
is there anything else ambayo wanalipa? Ama ni rent na deposit?
So the rent 8,500, deposit 8,500, and also for water deposit for 2,500. Electricity is token. Yes, so we
Yeah.
don't need to pay for that. So it's only the rent,
Yeah.
deposit for the house, and deposit for the water, 2,500 shillings only. Yes.
Important. So mpaka hapo, if you have any other question, you can just drop it in the comment. My
Yes.
number is 0791 055678, but Jane pia anaweza peana namba yake.
For my number 0715 20 80 42. And also the office line 0757 889 581.
Aya.
Yes.
Hiyo namba ni M-Pesa ama ni ya
Ya kwanza ni M-Pesa. Kama unataka kurusha kitu unaweza rusha hapo. But the office line is always there. You can call that number. I will repeat it 0757 899 581.
Jane ndiye atakupea hii nyumba by the way.
Yes.
Sawa sawa. So wasikupigia usiku.
Usiku nayo sio masaa ya kazi.
Okay. Mimi wananipia, mimi naamkanga na bana niko na miss call. Kutoka saa 9 nashangaa sure.
But I will always answer your missed calls.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nashanganga saa ingine bana. Kwani si hata wewe unajua
Hiyo masaa.
I'm supposed to sleep.
Yes.
Kwani I'm working saa 5 za usiku jameni. Hata mimi mnaniacha nalala jameni.
Umekuwa night runner, you work at night.
Jameni, I don't work at night. Anyway, so subscribe to EZRA ONDARA TV for more house tour videos like this from Nakuru and Nairobi, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.